Hello guys, you're welcome to Duco Tutorials, and this is Dr. Tom K. Alright, in this short video, what I want us to do is to move some funds from Trust Wallet and then move them to Binance. Okay, that's what I want us to do. And of course, you can see here we have some amount of money here, 11.61 USDT. All right, so we're going to click on that. Okay, please have it in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. All right, I'm only here to help you and help ourselves to make life easy for all of us. Please, if anything go wrong, you're not going to bear me only responsibilities. All right, so that is it. So having know that, okay, quickly let's get this done. What to do is we're going to resend this money, right? We're going to send this to Binance. Okay, so on that note, we're going to go get the, remember this is send USD BEP20. Okay, that is what I'm sending it to, right? So we're going to go get the address from Binance and paste it here. Exactly. So guys, we're on Binance right now. So on Binance, quickly click on wallet. All right, click on wallet, and then you're going to look for Binance, right? You're going to look for BNB, that is it. And then what you do is look for, just come to funding first, quickly come to funding first, and then click on BNB again. All right, this time around, you're going to click on deposit. You are depositing, okay? It's coming from Trust Wallet, you are depositing. So you're going to take BNB, that is this smart chain, BEP20, okay? That's what they're taking. All right, so having done that, you click on the address now. Okay, we're going to go back to Trust Wallet and send the money down. All right, so on Trust Wallet, what you do is paste it here, just paste, and then you're going to click on maximum because I'm sending everything. All right, 11.6196, and then click on next. All right, so obviously you can see it now. They're going to give us a notice that's saying that, right, you don't have enough BNB smart chain BNB to cover network fees, because the network fees is actually $0.06, right? And so we don't have enough. So what we're going to do is to click here, click on this point, and then we're going to go over there to send some amount of money down here. All right, you can see that I have to go send BNB down here first, and then by the time we have done that, okay, we can go back and take care of that. So quickly click on what? Send. All right, so if I have to click on send, we have to now go back to Binance and then pick the address, paste it here this time around, and by the time we're done with that, we're going to go back and go through the process again. Okay, follow me as we do that. So we are now Binance right now. Click on BNB. All right, this time around we are withdrawing. Click on withdraw. All right, go to click on send via crypto. Also, okay, this is what we're interested in. Okay, we are sending. So we are receiving on Trust Wallet. We are sending from Binance. So click on receive. All right, then click on the address you want to use. Copy it. Okay, and then we'll go back to Binance. So on BNB Binance, you click on what withdrawal, and then click on send via crypto, and then go to come over here and paste the address that was given to us. And then what you do is make sure you click here and then pick the BNB smart chain BEP20. All right, make sure you pick that because that's where you're sending it to. Please make sure you read through this point very well. Okay, make sure everything is okay, and then cross check with the one you have on Trust Wallet to make sure that the network is the right network. Exactly, make sure you do that. And of course, I pick my amount. I'm sending 0.07390236, which is equivalent to 22.04 USD. Okay, so go to click on withdraw. And then having done that, okay, we'll go to confirm. But before you confirm again, make sure you go through this again. BNB smart chain, all right, BEP20. Make sure the address is okay, and then withdraw amounts, and then make sure the network fee is 0.06 BNC according to them. The wallet funding is going to actually funding wallet, and then click on what confirm, right? All right, it is done. So what we'll do, we're going to go back to Trust Wallet and check, but before then, you're going to do your passkey and all of that, and then you're good to go. So at this point, withdrawal is processing. So go to view history. All right, this is the history. So this is what is being sent just now, right? So you can actually take note of this, or you can screenshot and keep it somewhere because you're going to use it some other time, right? So we are here on Trust Wallet. Okay, what we're going to do is to keep on refreshing and then wait for the money to drop. All right, okay, we just received it now. We just received it. So what we're going to do again, refresh this. Okay, all right, so this is a notification that was sent to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet has been able to receive $21.80, which is equivalent to 0.070330236 BNB, right? Completed and all of that. So go to check and see if the details are okay. All right, so here it comes. Well, we have it right now on your home. If you come to home right now, you can see it here, which is 0.07302. This has equivalent, increased to 33.46. So what I'm going to do now is to move this money again back to Binance, because that's what I want to do. Okay, we're going to move this money back to Binance. All right, so what to do is click on USDT, and then when you do that, click on what's send. And then of course we're going to put the address of the Binance, what address I want to send it to. Right, hold on. So you are sending USDT BEP20, right? So click on USDT, and then you are actually depositing. You are receiving, so you are depositing it, right? So you go to BEP20. Okay, BEP20 is what you are receiving from. Okay, you can see the BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So click on this address, and then we can go towards to Trust Wallet. Now, have it in mind that if you are sending USDT to Binance, okay, you have to power it with BNB. All right, so that is why they didn't allow us in the first place. So we have come back now, since we have already found it. Now we cannot come back and start all over the process. But have it in mind, you are sending USDT BEP20. So the address you are taking from Binance must come from USD BEP20. Exactly. Let me show you again. This is it. Okay, this is where it's coming from. You can see if you click on deposit right now, okay, you're going to see USDT BEP20. This is it. Okay, BEP20. So click on that, and that is the stuff we copied just now. The address we just copied. So we're going to put the amount that we're sending. Click on maximum. Click on maximum. And if you click on it, you're going to see 11.6196. Okay, go to click on next. All right, so you can see that this time around they could allow us to go because the BNB has been able to be added. Okay, we could have 0.06, and they're taking 0.06 from the BNB, so we're going to send 11.68, and later could come back, okay, and send our money alongside. Okay, that we're going to be doing. So click on confirm, and then put your code. All right, hold on. All right, it's processing. Okay, transaction details is being processed. Transaction in progress. Blockchain validation is underway. This may take a few minutes, so we're going to come back and show you the money has moved. All right. Okay, we just received notification that the money has come. Okay, so we're going to refresh. Remember, okay, this is it. Okay, so we just received 14.30 USDT coming from the 11 stuff that we sent, right? So this is how you actually move your money from okay, you can see that, right? It has been increased to what? 14.3096. Remember, I hope you understand this whole thing very well, right? So please make sure you go through this process very well, understand the procedure first before you do any transaction, all right? So that you're not going to lose the money. All right, please, if you like this, what we have said, we'll share with you. If you find value from this, okay, please quickly click on the subscription bell, turn on the notification bell, because more of this will be coming your way. And of course, share this video with as many as possible after you like it. Okay, God bless you.